Hey Siri, your mama's so old. When she was young, rainbows were still black and white.
Yo mama's so ugly. She makes Smickle look like Prince Charming.
Your mama's so chatty, she gave a eulogy at her own funeral.
Yo mama's so stupid. She sold the house to pay the mortgage.
Your mama's so fat, when she buys a fur coat, a whole species goes extinct.
Yo mama's so scary. Even Voldemort won't say her name.
Your mama's so stupid, she went to the dentist to get Bluetooth.
Yo mama's so fat. She can't fit into this joke.
Brian, come over here, you gotta see this.
This isn't over.
Keep walking, little man.
There's this new app called Let's Chat, and here's the kicker. It offers 0 data calls for anyone using any of these network providers. MTN, Airtel, and Glow.
That's cool, but how exactly does that work?
Let's Chat collaborated with those network providers to allow everyone using the app to make their calls 100% free. Kind of like how your parents let you stay here